Welcome to Roots and Recipes. I'm excited today because I'm cooking with something straight from the garden. And as you know, as a gardener, cooking with something that you've grown from a little baby to now it's ready to eat and harvest is an amazing feeling. So I'm going to make bacon wrapped pork loin because it's not just flavorful, it's a great way to infuse moisture into the meat. The crispy, salty bacon adds a wonderful richness and depth of flavor, ensuring every bite is packed with taste. Plus, the fat from the bacon helps keep the pork loin juicy, making it perfect and tender. And who wants tough meat, right? Now let's talk about the kale. Using kale from our garden not only brings a vibrant color and freshness, but it is also packed with nutrients. Kale is a superfood loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, along with antioxidants that support overall health. Harvesting it from our garden means it's fresher, but we can also be assured that it's free from pesticides. I don't use any of that stuff, giving us a pure and wholesome ingredient every single time we pick it and cook with it. I deglaze with vinegar, creating this warm vinaigrette, and the potatoes and the kale is going to soak up all of that flavor and tie everything beautifully together. It enhances the flavors while adding a light tanginess that complements the rich pork loin. Well, the bacon. This dish is not just a meal, it's a celebration of homegrown goodness and the joy of cooking with fresh ingredients. So let's dig in and enjoy a delightful combination of flavors and health benefits. Welcome to Roots and Recipes.
It's a beautiful day, call the peeps to come out and play. Well, have a good time, living the life abundantly. I wanna sing this song, call the people and sing